श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्के केसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्रान्तदेक्षं दयानिधिं देहवृदां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवमहं प्रपद्ये विशन्तु मे देव सदा त्वदीया दयाद्रङ्गान्तिराकटाक्षाः त्वत्प्रेष पुंसामृतं शरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संस्कृतकामधेनुं विशेषवित्पार्षदेशनाथ विदग्धगोष्ठीसमराङ्गणेषु जिगीषदो मे कवितार्केन्द्रान् स्वग्रसिंहाद्रमभ्युपेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करतरसिते पुस्तकं शङ्खचक्रे विस्तरद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे पुण्डरीकेण शम्नः अम्लानश्रीरमृतविशदैर्मुषविप्लावेन् माम् अविर्भूयात् जनकमहिमा मानसे वागधीशः. Yesterday we were looking into the Napumsakalinga words. Finally we stopped there. I think we didn't. We went to the sentence. Simha tatra garjati. So from here to Balaha tatra patanti likanti. These 9 sentences, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sentences. We have done these 9 sentences. We have to go further. Let me read once again. Simha tatra garjati. Lion rose there. Simha, lion, tatra there, garjati, rose. Chitrakau tatra garjataha. Chitrakau tatra garjataha. Chitrakau. 2 cheetahs, tatra there, garjataha, rose. 2 cheetahs rode. Vyaghraha api tatra garjanti. Vyaghraha api tatra garjanti. Tigers also roar there. Tigers also roar there. Gajaha ghasam khadanti. Gajaha ghasam khadanti. Elephants eat grass. Ghasam, grass. Gajaha khadanti. Elephants eat ghasam, grass. Mahishau api ghasam khadataha. Mahishau, 2 buffaloes. Api also ghasam. Ghasam. Ghasam is grass. Khadataha, eat. Feed. Taha. Taha is used because of Mahishau. Okay. Here it is Kadanti. Anti is used because it is Gajaha. Gajaha, Gajau, Gajaha. Plural is used. So Kadanti in the plural. In the plural in the verb also. Then Chitrakaha Shighram Davanti. Chitrakaha Shighram Davanti. Chitrakaha cheetahs. Many cheetahs. 3 and more number. Shighram quickly Davanti run. Hiranaha api Shighram Davanti. Hiranaha. Hiranaha means Hiranaha. Hiranaha. Hiranaha means deers. Api also Shighram Davanti. Shighram quickly Davanti run. They also run fast. Then Lata Mala Cha Kridata. Lata, name of a person. Mala is also name of a person. Cha means and. Lata, Mala and. That is the structure of Sanskrit. But when we do it in English, what we should do? Lata and Mala. Okay. So Tamil la padikumbodhu Latavum, Malavum. In the changiradhu enna avuna ummu maridum. Rendu. So Lata, Mala cha Kridata. Ana cha enga varum onnu இந்த cha வந்து Lata cha Mala cha அப்படினு சொல்லி ஒவ்வொன்றுத்துக்கும் போடலாம். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா எல்லாத்தையும் போட்டுட்டு கடைசியா cha. அதாவது இப்ப 4 பேர் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. லதா, மாலா, பாலா, கலா. கடைசியா cha அப்படின்னு போடலாம். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா லதாச்ச, மாலாச்ச, பாலாச்ச, கலாச்ச சொல்லி எல்லாருக்கும் ச ச ச ச போட்டே வாங்க. Okay, which is better? better to use at the end. இல்லையா ஒரு சாவோட முடிஞ்சு போயிடும். ஸோ லதாச்ச மாலாச்ச பலா லதா மாலாச்ச இந்த நடுவில் வர்றதெல்லாம் தேவையில்லை. கடைசியில் ஒன்னே ஒன்று போட்டா லதா மாலாச்ச கிரீடகா. அடுத்து பாலாஹ தத்ர படந்தி லிகந்தி ச. சச்சா எதுல இருக்கு? வேர்புல இருக்கு. பாலாஹ பாலாஹ boys and girls. Balaha balo balaha bala bale bala. It can be either boys or girls. What I said before, pullinga bahuvachanamnaka a common noun general சொல்லும்போது சிறுவர்கள் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாக்க சிறுமிகளும் அடக்கம். சிறுமிகள்னு சொல்லியாச்சுன்னா அதுல சிறுவர்கள் அடக்கம் கிடையாது. சரியா? அது மாதிரி மாணவர்கள் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அதுல மாணவிகளும் அடக்கம். சரியா? ஆண்கள் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாக்க அதுல பெண்களும் அடக்கம். அதே பெண்கள்னு சொல்லியாச்சுன்னா ஆண்கள் அடக்கம் இல்லை. இது வந்து சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்ட விஷயம் இது. சரியா? பாலாஹ தத்ர படந்தி லிகந்தி ச. பாலாஹ சில்ட்ரன், சில்ட்ரன் குழந்தைகள், சிறுவர்கள். சிறுவர்கள்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? சிறுமியும் ஆல்சோ சிறுமிகளும் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். So no need to translate it boys and girls. No need to say children. Finish. Children itself common noun, right? It is for both gender. சிறுவர்கள் அப்படின்னாலே சிறுவர்களும் சிறுமிகளும் தான் அர்த்தம். தனியா சிறுமிகள் சொல்லணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. தமிழ்ல கூட அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. So பாலாஹா சிறுவர்கள், சில்ட்ரன், தத்ர தேர், படந்தி லிகந்தி ச. இப்ப முன்னாடி சொன்ன மாதிரி படந்தி ச லிகந்தி சன்னு சொல்லலாம். No need to say. கடைசியில ஒரே தடவை போட்டா போதும். படந்தி லிகந்தி ச முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. So they read and write. ஓகேவா? அண்ட் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்ல என்ன பண்ணணும்? நடுவில் போட்டோம். பட் சம்ஸ்கிருதத்துல கடைசியில போட்டாங்க. தமிழ்ல ஒருத்தர் படிக்கவும் செய்கிறார்கள், படிக்கிறார்கள் மற்றும் எழுதுகிறார்கள். சனா மற்றும் வினை. சரியா? இது வரல நேற்று முடிஞ்சிருக்கு. இனி அடுத்த செட்டா சா அத்ர அஸ்தி. Now reading. First reading practice. Okay? You all will read. Repeat after me. Okay? First I will read, then you will repeat. But when you repeat, you should not unmute. Remember that. Okay? Sa atra asti. Taha tatra pathanti. Durabhasha atra asti. Balika tatra asti. Patram api tatra asti. Phalani api tatra santi. Lata shanaihi likhati. Rameshah api shanaihi likhati. Balakaah shighram likhanti. बालिकाः अपि शीघ्रं पठन्ति. Again, once again, let me read. You all will repeat. सा अत्र अस्ति. Repeat. Okay. ताः तत्र पठन्ति. दूरभाषा अत्र अस्ति. बालिका तत्र अस्ति. पात्रम् अपि तत्र अस्ति. फलानि अपि तत्र सन्ति. लता शनैः लिखति. रमेशः अपि शनैः लिखति. बालकाः शीघ्रं लिखन्ति. बालिकाः अपि शीघ्रं लिखन्ति. Now meaning. So what you should do? You should keep your pen, pencil ready. You have to write the meaning. Okay? If you miss the meaning, what should you do? You have to wait for the video to be uploaded. You have to watch that. Okay? Okay, va? Shall I start? So your pencil, you are ready with your pencil or pen. Yeah. Sa atra asti. Sa, she. Sa na, she. Atra, here. Asti is. She is here. Yeah. She is here. She is here. அவள் இங்கே இருக்கிறாள். அஸ்தினா இருக்கிறான், இருக்கிறாள், இருக்கிறது. இந்த சா அப்படிங்கிறது அவள். அத்ர ஹியர். அஸ்தி இருக்கிறாள். அவள் இங்கே இருக்கிறாள். She is here. Next. தாஹ தத்ர படந்தி. தாஹ தத்ர படந்தி. தாஹ. They all in feminine gender. Sa, te, taha. You have to say. Repeat with me. Say with me. Sa, te, taha. Sa is singular. Te is dual. Taha is plural for feminine gender. So taha means they all in feminine gender. So taha tatra pathanti. Taha, they all. Pathanti, read. Tatra, they all read there. They all read there. They all read there. Next. Durabhasha atra asti. Durabhasha, phone. Yes, telephone. Atra, here, asti, is. Telephone is here. Here is the telephone. Yes. Telephone is here. தொலைபேசி இங்கே உள்ளது. அஸ்தினா சொல்றீங்க. இருக்கிறது, இருக்கிறான், இருக்கிறாள், இருக்கிறது. உள்ளான், உள்ளாள், உள்ளது. அப்படி தமிழ். So தொலைபேசி இங்கே இருக்கிறது. இல்ல தொலைபேசி இங்கே உள்ளது. சரியா? Balika tatra asti. Balika, a girl. Tatra, there, asti is. A girl is there. There is a girl. There is a girl. Where is a girl? There is a girl. Where is that girl? There is a girl. The girl is there. Okay. சிறுமி அங்கே இருக்கிறாள். அங்கே ஒரு சிறுமி இருக்கிறாள். Same thing. Two ways. சிறுமி எங்கே இருக்கிறாள்? Where is that girl? The girl is there. Who is there? Okay, there is a girl. ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் ஆன்சர் வருது. பாலிகா தத்ர. There is a girl. Okay, girl is there. Next. Okay, understood? சிறுமி அங்கே இருக்கிறாள். Next. பாத்திரம் அபி தத்ர அஸ்தி. பாத்திரம், a vessel. Api also, tatra, there, asti, it. A vessel is also there. பாத்திரமும் அங்கே இருக்கிறது. பாத்திரமும் அபி, அப்படின்னா கூட. பாத்திரமும், பாத்திரமும் கூடன்னு சொல்லணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. பாத்திரமும் அங்கே இருக்கிறது. சரியா? Vessel is also there. Also there is a vessel. Return. Next. Phalani api tatra santi. Phalani, fruits. Api also tatra santi. Are there. Fruits also there. Not only the vessel. Patira mattu illa. Phalani api santi. Fruits also there. Okay, see how to construct the sentence. Api tatra. Patram asti. See, patram asti. Patram tatra asti. Patram api tatra asti. In the sentence. is the sentence formation. So yeah, noun and verb, noun and verb, then using indeclinable you can construct the sentences. Okay. Phalani api tatra santi. See, patram api tatra asti. Oru patram ange irikkirathu. There is a vessel. Phalani api tatra santi. Fruits also there. Fruits also there. Okay. Parangalum ange ullana. Phalani, fruits. Plural. Bahuvachan. Okay. So verb, see the verb santi, plural. Okay. Asti singular, santi plural. Asti santi. Astina singular is. Santina plural or are. Okay. So fruits are also there. Fruits are also there. Then Parangalum ange ullana. Lata shanaihi likati. Lata mella எழுதுகிறாள். Lata writes slowly, shanaihi, slowly. Okay. Lata shanaihi likhati. Then Rameshaha api shanaihi likhati. Api also. Also. Rameshaha api shanaihi likhati. Ramesh also writes slowly. Ramesh also writes slowly. Okay. Rameshaha api shanaihi likhati. Ramesh also writes slowly. Next. Balakaha shighram likhanti. Balakaha shighram likhanti. Balakaha, boys. Shighram, quickly. Likhanti, write. Okay. Children write fast. You can say boys write fast. Both you can say. Balikaha api shighram patanti. There is no connection. Balikaha api shighram patanti. Okay, children write fast. Girls also read fast. It's a matter. Okay? Girls, balikaha, girls. When you say balikaha, male is not included. But when we say balakaha, male, female is included. Okay. So balikaha api shighram patanti. Girls also read fast. Shighram, fast. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sentences. Okay. See, actually, there is nothing miracle in this. One noun, pronoun here, and the verb. Rest all inside what they are indicating. That's all. Api tatra, see here, atra. See, only I have used 4 words. So how many sentences? See, atra, tatra. Atra means here. Tatra means there. Again atra, tatra. Api, new word introduced. Okay, new word is introduced. That is our indicator. Api, also. Also. Again, also. But singular, plural. Shanaihi, one more is introduced. Shanaihi, slowly. Shanaihi. And api shanaihi. Okay. Api shanaihi. Okay, also slowly. Then shighram. Shighram. Shanaihi, opposite word is shighram. Tamil சொல்றல சீக்கிரம் அப்படினு. அது ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணு பெரிய வித்தியாசம் இல்ல. இந்த சீக்கிரம்ன்ற வேர்ட் தான் சீக்கிரம். சீக்கிரம் சொல்லி தமிழ்ல பயன்படுத்துறோம். ஓகேவா? சோ இங்க சீக்கிரம். அபி சீக்கிரம். சோ நம்ம எத்தனை வேர்ட் யூஸ் பண்றது? தத்ர 1, தத்ர 2, அபி 3, ஷனைஹி 4, சீக்கிரம் 5. 5 வேர்ட் யூஸ் பண்றது இதுக்குள்ள. ஆனா எத்தனை சென்டென்சஸ் தெரியுது? See here. So even you can also write like this. Okay. So you have to start doing this. Okay. It's not that you have to read and forget, but actually you start. Okay. You start learning the sentences, and you have to try writing. Okay. So I'm promoting all percent. And you will replicate. No. So
audience on.
Sa atra asti. Taha tatra patanti.
Meaning. With meaning. Please with meaning.
Okay, dear.
Hmm.
Sa atra asti. She is here.
Very good.
Taha tatra patanti. They all read there. Durabhasha atra asti. Telephone is here. Balika tatra asti. A girl is there. Patram api tatra asti. A vessel is also there.
Very good.
Alani api tatra santi. Fruits are also there.
Very good.
Lata shanaihi likati. Lata slowly writes slowly. Rameshah api shanaihi likati. Ramesh also writes slowly.
Very good.
Balakaha shigram likanti. Children write fast. Balikaha api shigram patanti. Girls also read quickly.
Very good. Uttama.
Sa atra asti. He is here. Taha tatra patanti. They all read there. Durabhasha atra asti. Phone is here. Balika tatra asti. The girl is there. Matram api tatra asti. Vessel is also there. Palani api tatra santi. Fruits also there. Lata shanaihi likati. Lata slowly writes. Rameshah api shanaihi likati. Ramesh also slowly writes. Balakaha shigram likanti. Boys quickly write. Balikaha api shigram patanti. Girls also read fast. Dhanyavad Marian.
Uttama. Adiyan. அடுத்தது போலாமா?
Audience one.
Before going to the exercise, I would like all the students to repeat after me. These saha taute. This you have to. Te taha tat te tani. These 3 lines. Okay. Say again. Let me say. You all will repeat. Okay. Saha tau te. Repeat. Sa te taha tat te tani. Again. Saha tau te. Sa te taha tat te tani. Okay, what's the meaning? Saha he. So now what you should do? Tell together with me. Okay. Saha tau te. Sa te taha tat te tani. Clear? Once again, tell with me. Saha, tau, te, sa, te, taha, tat, te, tani. So what's the meaning of this? This is a very important pronoun. Very often it will come. Okay. Saha, he, tau, they both in masculine. Okay. Te, they all in masculine. Sa, she. They both in feminine. Taha, they all in feminine. Tat, that, neutral gender. They both in neutral gender. Tani, they all in neutral gender. Okay. So once again, let me read along with me. Then we'll go to the exercise. Okay. Very often it will come. Saha, tau, te, sa, te, taha, tat, te, tani. Okay, sorry. Something happened here. So now we go to the exercise 1. Okay. Now there are options. Vyaghraha. Fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the bracket. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the bracket. It's given as a blank. It's wrong. Okay. Vyaghraha tatra dash. Chalanti chalataha. What will come? Vyaghraha is bahuvachanam. Okay. Vyaghraha, vyaghrav, vyaghraha. Vyaghraha is bahuvachanam. So the verb also should end with titaha anti. Anti. Verb should end with anti because it is bahuvachanam. So verb also should end with bahuvachanam. So this is the correct answer. Chalataha is a wrong answer. Okay. So vyaghraha. Just let me type. Vyaghraha tatra chalanti. Chalanti. Okay. Vyaghraha tatra chalanti. Next. What is next? Manushyaha api tatra dash. Manushyaha, again bahuvachanam. Manushyaha is again bahuvachanam. Okay. Api tatra, also there. Dhavati is singular, dhavanti is plural. So which one you have to take? You have to take dhavanti. You have to take dhavanti. Dhavanti is the correct answer. Okay. You have to note down, write down in your book like this. You know, the space is given to write. Okay. Next. Balaha shighram dash. Balaha, again plural here. Okay. Again, balaha, balo, balaha, right? Bala, bale, balaha. Both the masculine or feminine. It is plural. Patataha, patanti, patati, patataha, patanti. Patanti is plural. So what we should do? What is the answer? Patanti. Patanti is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Tau tatra bhojanam dash. Tau saha tau te. So tau is dvivachanam. How is there? No? How is dvivachanam? Tatra bhojanam dash. Khadanti khadataha. Khadanti khadataha. Khadanti is plural. Khadataha is dual. So what is which one we have to pick up? See the subject once again. Tau. Tau means they both. Dual. Dvivachanam. So khadataha is dvivachanam. So we have to pick up khadataha. Okay. Khadataha. Khadataha. Yeah. Next. Phalam adha dash. phalam adha dash. Phalam adha na below, down. Okay. It's not used, introduced. Now it is discussed. Okay. Phalam, fruit. Adha, down, below. Patataha patati. Titaha anti. Singular. Phalam is singular. Okay. So we have to pick up singular. Taha is Dvivachanam. Okay. Ti is Ekvachanam. So we have to pick up Ekvachanam. Why we have to pick up Ekvachanam in the verb? Because phalam is singular here. It is Ekvachanam. So Ekvachanam goes with Ekvachanam. Okay. Patati. Okay. Note down. So we have two students.
Audience one.
व्याघ्राः तत्र चलन्ति मनुष्याः अपि तत्र तनन्ति बालाः शीघ्रं पठन्ति
शीघ्रं, not शीघ्रः.
शीघ्रं पठन्ति तौ तत्र भोजनं खादतः फलम् अधः पतति.
Okay. One thing tell me, why first three sentences ended with anti? That blank we fill the blank now. First three la anti mudiyirukku. Next tahan mudiyirukku. Last one t mudiyirukku. Enna reason theriyuma unakku?
व्याघ्राः तत्र जलन्ति मनुष्याः अपि तत्र धावन्ति बालाः शीघ्रं पठन्ति तौ तत्र भोजनं खादतः फलम् अधः पतति.
Very good. Okay. Next exercise pulama Adiyan.
Audience Swami. Audience.
Exercise 2. Q&A இருந்தா இப்ப ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். 7:20 ஆகுது. Q&A இல்லனா மேல போறோம்.
நீ Q&A இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் அடியன்.
நான் ஆன் பண்ணிடுவேன்.
சரி அடியன். Adiyan will enable the Q&A. யாருக்கு கேள்வி இருக்கோ இன்னைக்கு பாடத்துல you can press Q&A and ask your questions.
Adiyan? Adiyan, atrana enna tatrana enna Adiyan?
Atrana here, tatrana there. I am here. You are there.
Adiyan.
நான் இங்க இருக்கேன், நீ அங்க இருக்க. Right. Then you ask.
Adiyan. Patantina enna Adiyan? Patantina enna Adiyan?
Speak. Vadanti, vadati, vadataha, vadanti, vadatina speaks, no, vadanti speaking. Many are speaking.
Okay, Adiyan. Then you. Adiyan, Santina enna?
Santina or A-R-E-R. There are. சொல்றோம்ல, there are fruits. The A-R-E-R.
Okay, Adiyan. Then yes.
Next.
Adiyan, what is the meaning of Adaha?
Adha and down, below.
Okay, Adiyan, Dhanyasmi.
Adiyan, what is mean by patati?
Reads.
Okay.
அடியன் பத்தத்தியா பட்டத்தியா என்ன கேட்டது?
Patati அது காது விழுது.
Patati.
Patatiya reads.
Adiyan, I'm asking for patati.
Patati falls. Phalam patati. Phalam adaha patati. Palam கீழே விழுகிறது. Fruit falls down.
Adiyan Dasan, நீங்க just the fifth one இன்னொரு தடவை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண முடியுமா?
Phalam adaha patati.
அது எப்படி?
Phalam ன்றது singular. Okay, adaha below, down, கீழே. patati ஏனா தஹாட் இருக்குது வந்து த்விவச்சனம். தீன்றது வந்து ஏகவச்சனம். இப்ப எது விழறது? பழம் விழுது. எத்தனை பழம் விழறது? ஒரு பழம். அதனால patati. Next.
Okay. Adiyan, Kridati-na என்னது? Kridati.
Kridatina play. Play.
Adiyan, Dhanyasmi.
Adiyan, Santi and Asti mean the same.
Asti is singular, Santi is plural. Asti means is. Asti means is. Asti, Santi. Okay. Santi. What is the meaning of Asti? Asti is nothing but is. Okay. Santi is are. Okay. Asti is, Santi is are. Okay.
Okay, Adiyan, Dhanyasmi, Adiyan.
அடியன் ரொம்ப இல்ல இன்னொரு இது வேணா முடிச்சிடலாம் அடுத்த
இன்னொரு எக்ஸர்சைஸ் பண்ணிடலாம்
அடியன்.
Correct the bold words in the following sentences. Kiranaha shigram dhavati. Here what you should do, only underlined word you have to correct. Okay? See here, Hiranaha is there. Here Kelanti. Here noun. Here verb. Here also verb. Here also verb. Here also verb. So here you have to correct the noun. In other four you have to correct the verb according to the noun. Okay. Now let me see. Okay. Hiranaha. You have to correct. What is the basis of correcting the verb? What we should see? We should see the noun. Okay. Noun is Dhavati is singular, right? If noun to be corrected, we have to see the verb. Okay. Verb is what? Singular. So it should be singular. Okay. So Hiranaha. How it is Hiranaha? Hiranaha. So Hiranaha. Hiranaha is the answer. Okay. Next. Te balike tatra kelanti. So the verb should be corrected according to the noun. Noun is dvivachanam. Sa, te, taha. Balika, balike, balikaha. So these two are the nouns. Okay. So that we have to. So according to the noun, we have to correct the verb. What will come for dvivachanam? Ti, taha. Taha will come. So Khelataha. Khelataha is the correct answer. Okay. Khelataha is the correct answer. Next. Sa tatra santi. Sa tatra santi. Okay, என்ன வரணும்? சான்றது singular, santi is the plural. Varma, it will not come. So what will come? What is here? What is said here? Asti. Asti means, I have already showed you. Asti means, asti is for singular, santi for plural. Okay. So here what happened? Sa means asti. Sa asti. Okay. Sa satra asti. Asti is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Saha api. Saha api. Tatra. Saha api. Tatra. Saha. Saha is dvachanam. Saha. Ti saha anti. Saha is dvachanam. So saha api tatra. What will come? What will come? Asti. Because singular. Okay. Saha nalum, sa nalum, tat nalum, asti da. Okay, asti da correct answer. Okay, all three same answer. Okay, next, last one. Rameshaha, Rakeshaha, cha shanaihi patham likhanti. Likhanti is wrong. So what will be the correct answer? Rameshaha, Rakesha. We have to see the subject. When we have to correct the verb, we have to see the subject. So இங்க எத்தனை பேர் subject எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? How many are there? Ramesh 1, Rakesh 1. 2 are there. So what should be the verb ending? Verb ending should be in dvachanam, right? Verb ending should be in dvachanam. So what is the answer? Li saha. Saha இல்லையா? So li ka saha. Li ka saha is the correct answer. So let me read the answers once again. So hiranaha shigram dhavati. He balike tatra khelatah. Sa tatra asti. Saha api tatra asti. Saha api tatra asti. Rameshaha Rakeshaha cha shanaihi patham likhatah. Okay. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kashyatu kabha. Sarvastaratu durgani. Sarvo bhadrani pashyatu. Sarva kamanavapnotu. Sarva sarvatra nandatu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Adiyan. Dhanyavad Swami.
Dhanyavad.
Adiyan.